Hello! In this video, we will see how to transform a YouTube video into a newsletter. Open up the web browser. Search TUGAN AI, then open its site. Click on Try Now for free for instant access. Then choose the YouTube to newsletter option. Although you can choose any option you want. You have to provide a YouTube link here. So open a new tab and open YouTube here. Here, click to play a random video. Then click on the share button of the video. Copy the video link from here. Paste it back in YouTube video link. Select the option as Punchy Human. Then click on the Generate Newsletter from YouTube option. Here you can see the newsletter is generated for the video. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.